guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to show you how to fix dog's airdrop not working or not opening. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First of all, head over to your Telegram. Now on the Telegram, head over to your dog's platform. On the platform, then click open and wait for it to load. Then you will see an icon, a dog icon, asking you, who are you, dog? Now this is what you're going to do. It has already been addressed by the dog's official. This is what you're going to do. You're just going to head back. It was addressed by the dog's official. This is what they said about it. Now, as you can see, from the dog's house official platform, they say that, hey, dogs of community. For those of you who are seeing this message when you logging in, simply add your username to your Telegram account. Once you do, log in again and you will receive your shares of dogs. So that is what you do. That is all you have to do. So what you have to do now is to quickly head back to your Telegram. Head back to the Telegram. Then on the Telegram platform, click the drop down list. Then head over to your profile, my profile. Then at the top of the at the top right corner, you see a three dots. Click on the three dots. Then you will see set username. Click set username. Then this is where you have to input your username. Now after inputting your username, they will be able to get you. So they just want to know who you are. So just click the username, Jacko. Let me use this one. Let me use this one as my username. Okay. So Jacko 1000 is available, as you can see. So after inputting your username, just click the good sign, the good symbol, and then you have successfully set your username. Also, you can also somehow put your profile picture if you do not have, but it is not necessary. The most important thing is the username. After setting it, you just head back. Then go out from the Telegram channel. Then relog in again. Remember, you have to log out completely before you can log in back again. So after logging back, you just click the you head over back to the dog's airdrop boot. Then you can click open. So that is how you can connect. That is how you can fix these dogs not working or dogs not opening. So that is it. Once you do it that way, it will automatically fix. So this is how you can do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to share this video because more users want to know about this, how to fix it. So do not forget to share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.